In this video, I will show you how do I create multiple Gmail accounts with PVA Creator. First, select Gmail and add a new campaign. Import Proxy here, one proxy per line. Click Save, then it will auto-bind. So if you want to create a large number of accounts, Proxy is necessary. Same with User Agent. Then we go to Table Proxy. You can also bind or import Proxy here only for Gmail. Username could be imported manually or import from a file. Read data description if you don't know how to fill them. Go to this website since I selected 2 as phone service. Sign in and go to your page. Paste your username here and token. Choose a phone country, just input their number. After completing all, click Save. Then go to Accounts page. All info is on the table. Now just click Start. And it will register Gmail automatically. So the first account is available now. PVA Creator will continue to register them in order.